Hi. So we got South Dakota, northeast South Dakota. We got geese dropping out of the sky. This has been witnessed by firsthand by two people I know. One a very good friend, and, and the other one a acquaintance. A very good friend called the game fishing parks and was asking what they knew about it. And she got through to the South Dakota Game Fishing Park state biologist, and who told her that it is a strain of bird flu, and it's very serious. That you're not to touch any of the affected geese, and that if any evidently coyotes are immune because of the dog's special guts, but cats, skunk, anything else that eats one of these affected birds will contract the disease and pass it on. No word's been, nothing on the news, nothing. Nobody knows this. Nobody but a special few. Who knows? Who knows how this shit gets started? Should they spray in the air? Or who knows? But it may be serious, and I think the next flu scare will be something with some teeth, maybe. Hopefully not. But could be serious, and nobody's talking about it, because anything important you'll never hear on the news. Okay.